Introducing the D25980K heavy-duty pavement breaker from DeWALT, offering superior power, performance, comfort, and durability. Guaranteed tough. The DeWALT pavement breaker has been designed to deliver superior performance. At 61 foot-pounds of impact energy, it hits 42% harder than the leading competitor. As could be seen, DeWALT's heavier ram provided the impact energy to perform this job over 30% faster. DeWALT's patented shock system cuts vibration by more than half when compared to the leading competitor. This is done through a patented counterbalance mechanism and rubber-coated shock-absorbent handles. DeWALT's hammer truck takes the hassle out of transporting the breaker. It allows the user to keep the steel in the breaker while carrying it, eliminating the need to take out the bit each time. It's also ideal for use as a heavy-duty job site hand truck. The DeWALT pavement breaker accepts standard 1 1/8 inch hex shank air and tool steel. DeWALT has engineered the heavy-duty pavement breaker to deliver superior durability in the toughest of job site applications. Improved sealing keeps dust and debris out and lubrication in. With the barrel being one of the most highly abused areas on a breaker, DeWALT has engineered its barrel to be more robust than the competition. DeWALT backs the heavy-duty pavement breaker with a 90-day no-risk guarantee, a 3-year limited warranty, and 2 years of free service, covering twice that of leading competitors. The D25980K heavy-duty pavement breaker from DeWALT offers superior power, performance, comfort, and durability, guaranteed tough.